My nighttime routine is going to be the same first step as my morning routine, which is using the Pixi Glow Tonic and the cotton round, and just scrubbing it everywhere, the same places I did, on my chest, on my neck, everywhere. And then I go in with this Pixi Skintreats Overnight Serum, and it's a glow serum, which I really enjoy. It has this little dropper. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So it looks like this, and then you open it. It has this little dropper. It's really gooey. I don't know if you can see that. It's very gooey. But anyway, you only need like 1 or 2 drops, and then it has like a very strange texture, but I like the effect that it has. It's just very like moisturizing, so I put that on my hands and I just kind of rub it, and then I rub it all around my face, and I take it down my neck and I put it on my chest. You have to make sure it's like really rubbed in well, and then it dries because it is kind of sticky. I don't know why. And then I go in with this Clarins multi-active, it's basically just like a lotion for your face, like moisturizer lotion. It's thicker than like a bottle lotion, like the Murad one, because it's in a container. I am pretty much out, except for like that little part over there. I'm trying to use it very slowly and get as much out of it as I can. So it's still going strong. But I really enjoy this for the smell, and also just like the moisturizing value that it provides for my face. It's kind of expensive, but I got it when I worked at ULTA, so I really enjoy this. And I just take like a pea-sized amount or less, and I just rub it all over my face. I don't take this one down the neck or the décolletage or whatever you want to call it. I just keep it on my face because it's kind of heavy for the rest of my body. It kind of makes me break out if I put it other places other than my face. So I just keep it on my face because we don't want breakouts on the body. We really don't. I really hate that. And then on days that I wear makeup, the way that I take my makeup off is I use any kind of facial wipe. So that could be Neurtogena or Target brand or whatever brand you want. And I just kind of like, I take off all the makeup off of my face as much as I can. There's going to be leftover. So for the leftover, I use this. It's a Juice Beauty face oil, and it works really well. It's them Cellular. It's basically like made out of like products that like are juicy, just made out of natural ingredients, which is really nice. And so I just take a pump of this. It comes out really fast, and like you can't really control it, so have fun. But you just pump it out and then you rub it. Dry hands, dry face. So you're rubbing it and then you rub it all around your face, and it feels really weird and oily. And you can put it on your eyes too. It's safe for the eyes. And so you just put it everywhere, and then you take a little bit of water on your hands, and then you start kind of like massaging it in with some water, and then after that you rinse it all off. And it still feels like there's something on your skin, but it's really just like your skin being really moisturized and clean, which is strange. But then I also go afterwards and I wash my face. So for that, I wash my face with this Murad skin cleanser, and it's really nice. It's time release acne cleanser, and so this is also anti-aging and will help with blemishes, which is really nice for me, again, because I'm not really that old yet. I do have acne and I do want to prevent aging, so this is what I use. I will use this with the Clarisonic, and this is mine. Mine says Samantha Marie on it. It's the Mia 2, and I really enjoy this. I have the, what's it called? It's like silk stuff. The bristles are the most sensitive ones. They're the really long bristles, and they're for really sensitive skin, which is what I have. The other brushes that come with the Clarisonic that you can buy are way too abrasive for my skin, and they exfoliate way too much, and they actually make me break out. So I use the really sensitive ones so that I can still exfoliate my skin, but it won't make me die, basically. I use these together. They're magical. And after that, I use the same serum and the same moisturizer. So the Pixi serum and then the Clarins moisturizer. And that's it. That's what I do. I usually don't wash my face very often just because I do have very sensitive skin, and if I wash my face too often, then I'll actually do the opposite of what I want it to do, which is break it out and make it red and like uncomfortable and raw kind of. So I try to stick to maybe like once a week or once or twice a week of really like cleansing my skin deeply. Sometimes more than that. I'll wash my skin with just this and not the brush. Or like some other face wash like sample that I have lying around. Sometimes I'll use that. But yeah, that's basically what I do. That's it. That's all I have for you. All you get to do is look at this face, my background. This camera is looking at me. We're all looking at each other. That's deep. Why is my nose so itchy? Can we not? Can we not? Huh. Well, like, that's gonna, yeah. Anyway, that's what I do.